your members of staff, you're going to select Manage Staff area, manage your members of staff who can log in. You'll then get a list of all staff members currently who have access. You can edit or view these by selecting the blue plus, or you can add a member of staff up at the top here. Just start at the top and work your way down. Pop the first name and surname in. You can put an email address and a telephone number if you want to, but you can also leave these areas blank. The brief information about that particular member of staff is going to show on the staff pages. I'll put a link on here if you want to see how to create those. You can also leave that blank as well. Then just give them a username and password. The user can change this once they've logged in, so just keep it quite general. And then you've got staff type at the bottom here. Now at the moment it says administrator. Anyone who's listed as an administrator has access to absolutely everything within School Spider. If you click onto this drop down, you'll see lots of different options in which you can pick. Just select the relevant option. Most of them do have pretty much the same rights. For things like your governors and your PTA, they have a slightly different area. Once you're happy, tick active and then press save. You can then give those login details to that individual staff member. Once the user logs in, they can change their username and password by selecting the settings cog, and then change your details and update your password here, and they can change their username and password here. You can also upload an image. This image is going to pull through onto a class page if they are associated to a class page, and they can also pop their brief information here. This will also pull through onto class pages as well as any staff pages that you have set up.